Yes, Nyakaramogi one kaindigi Asoro the comedian. Asoro has been very wonderful lady on TikTok, on YouTube, on Facebook. Kwanza kabisa Asoro Mosjoge.
Hey guys, my name is Asoro the comedian, Madam Modosity Kienyeji. I don't know whether I'm still Kienyeji, but
nilisikia siku hizi uliomoka ukakuwa broiler.
Ngeni pima Nairobi kai bende. Oji matin.
Exactly. Man aneno katinde yo molo e wakata wan mwasibedi ni yawa.
Dano lore.
Okay, Asoro. Adwa ni kon jopeny ni angomo no otimore gi TikTok. TikTok ni what happened?
What happened? My TikTok account was hacked. Mano kizungu maluongo ni ngato jamaundu no kwal account na kaneno kama. Yeah, it was hacked. I don't know why. Should I explain everything?
Just tell them a brief of maybe what happened, or maybe what you are suspecting that maybe could have happened, because what plan mondo me aluongie celebrity gossip mondo kore me what the full story. Me chake ndet no nyaka
path day. Na the celebrity ganyalo the celebrity gossip. So my account was hacked. So far I've opened a new one. My account was hacked with 160,000 followers.
Wow, Polly.
2.1 million likes.
Sorry.
But in all, there's some people who always try to bring people down. But we are all destined by God. So, for now, you can follow me at Asoro the Comedian, a new page.
TikTok,
TikTok. Because the other account is being used by somebody who called himself Ndovu Niku Official.
Ndovu.
Ndovu Niku Official.
But that is so bad. That is so bad. On the celebrity gossip, we are going to give you a clue on who we are suspecting that took it. And for those people that have that character, we are going to be on fire. On celebrity gossip. Omari Nash, the truth matter. I'll be hosting Asoro the comedian. Don't worry. We shall speak it the way it is. We shall speak it. I know there are some people that do not accept, like especially I know the truth is always better. But with me, I'll speak it.
The truth. You should begin the truth.
Ngamanongeyo Asoro na wachi kisungu.
The truth manyaka ni chakolo itagi the truth kaya.
Lakini biya lewa the truth adier.
The truth dongende ni adieri.
Adier makende. Ngeni nitie gik moko matimore ne ji, especially one artist. Iwinjo ti yudo ka nitie jomoko ma yani gilur to come out and say ni awamae gimono timore. Kuri yudo ka ngato tho kata gi depression.
Like me sometimes when I'm lonely, I'm so stressed.
No.
So when you come, I feel company.
So on the celebrity gossip, we shall update you. We are going to make an artwork. We are going to tell you when we are hosting Asoro, and it must be on Wednesday, because that is the celebrity gossip. Wabiro penje jio lagane Omari. Ango mana Asoro yuago chiengcha. Mano kapok TikTok ne olal. Kendo dakika matin TikTok ne olal. Kendo dakika matin ni kiane Asoro idwa ne onyuom gi 15 million. Kendo dakika matin ni kiane Asoro virgin. On the celebrity gossip ijao nagi man ka endi. Subscribe a YouTube channel Omari Nash mondi rit kiwinje kwa keta Asoro ne pop live. Ine me kuongo neno. Igama du penja Asoro kako nyalo yude chieng no. Ipenjo we comment to duoki, ipenjo we comment to duoki, ipenjo ne to be en virgin adieri. Donge?
Virgin to
Adier me Nyasaye.
Adier ba Nyasaye wono wiluonge gimene. Nyasaye bo chwajire kodi ni wene bere.
Abe. We waromuru kacha endo. Continue supporting Asoro the comedian. Enda pale Facebook page,
Instagram, TikTok, and all my social, even on YouTube.
Asoro the comedian. You have only that name.
Asoro Pam. There is a page. Facebook I have 2 accounts. Facebook page and Facebook ya friends ya kitambo ya nilianza nayo. So Asoro Pam and Asoro the comedian.
Okay. Let's meet there on the celebrity gossip.